Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. Sorry for the late video post, okay? So let me just update you guys, okay? So in Bitcoin, if you had been alert on trading, right? I was very much alert, okay, on my trades. So if you can see right over there, after the cup and handle pattern was formed, right, there was a big bull engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle, which we can see right there. And that was a major profit, okay? Those who had placed their trades after my last video, they definitely had got a success, basically a successful trade, okay? So we had seen on the 20-day moving average, okay? Now right now Bitcoin is going down, which means that the cup and handle signal pattern is done, okay? This is done. Basically this pattern won't be followed anymore now. So we have to just see on the new updates, okay, which we can form, which you can see, sorry. So right now there is a hammer candle pattern over here, hammer candlestick pattern, which is formed right over there, and it's not very much supportive, okay, of the bullish market. There's a downtrend which is getting formed right there, and we can see it right over here, okay? There's a downtrend right over there, which means that Bitcoin will be going lower and lower, okay? This one candle pattern over here, which the one candlestick pattern, which is on second, let me just, yeah, this one candlestick pattern which you can see right over there, right? Let me just zoom in and show you. It's the hammer candlestick pattern. We can't use this to follow, okay? We just can't use it because there's not enough data to explain the next forecast, okay? So if anyone has placed their trades, they had done successfully. Well done to you guys, congrats, okay, because you all made a good profit right over there. The cup and handlebar signal, okay? And right now we can expect a downtrend, okay, because Bitcoin is showing a major downtrend, okay? There is a lot of volume of sellers. Basically, if you can see the candle pattern, right, candlestick pattern, you can understand that Bitcoin is moving lower and lower, okay? So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I will update you guys in the next video. Keep grinding.